If you're looking at starting your own clothing brand, offering custom t-shirts in a retail store, or starting a side hustle, then the xTool Apparel Printer is definitely a machine worth considering. We've spent some time using the machine here at MaxLaser, and in this review, we're going to share our honest thoughts, not just the specifications, but what it's actually like to use. The first thing that stood out was just how compact the machine is. Unlike many industrial DTF printers that require a dedicated production area, the xTool Apparel Printer has a very small footprint. It can comfortably fit into a retail store, home business, or small workshop without taking up much space. It also looks modern and professional, so it wouldn't look out of place in a customer-facing environment. This is probably the biggest strength of the machine. If you've never owned a DTF printer before, the setup is surprisingly straightforward. From opening the box to producing our first successful print took roughly 1 to 1.5 hours by simply following the manual. The software guides you step by step, and the machine itself tells you exactly what needs to happen next, making it very beginner-friendly. Film loading was simple. Alignment was handled automatically through the software, and there wasn't much room for error. If you've been nervous about getting into DTF printing, this machine removes a lot of that anxiety. We were genuinely impressed with the print quality. Colors came out vibrant and closely matched what we saw on the computer screen. We also tested printing onto black garments using a white underbase. The colors remained bright, the white coverage was consistent, we didn't notice any pinholes or gaps, and the edges came out clean and sharp. Overall, the finished prints looked commercial quality. The finish transfer also had a pleasant feel, somewhere between soft and slightly rubbery, which is exactly what you'd expect from a quality DTF transfer. For a machine aimed at startups and smaller businesses, the speed is very respectable. A typical print takes around 3 minutes. Curing takes roughly 5 minutes, followed by around 2 to 5 minutes for the heat press depending on your workflow. It certainly doesn't feel slow, especially considering how simple the entire process is. Maintenance is another area where this machine shines. The printer has automatic white ink circulation and automatic maintenance features built in. When cleaning is required, you simply press the clean button and the machine performs the process automatically. A cleaning cycle takes approximately 80 seconds, followed by a nozzle check. Occasionally, you may need to perform an additional cleaning cycle to achieve a perfect nozzle pattern, but overall the process is extremely simple. It's also a very clean machine. Compared to some larger industrial DTF systems where powder or fumes can escape during production, we didn't notice any significant mess or smoke escaping during our testing. From a health and safety perspective, that's definitely a positive. This is where it's important to understand exactly what this machine has been designed to do. If you're starting your own clothing brand, opening a custom apparel business, running a retail shop offering personalized garments, starting a side hustle, or producing custom shirts, bags, and caps on demand, then this machine makes a lot of sense. It encourages you to sell complete finished products rather than simply selling printed transfers. That means you're adding value through the garment, the print, and the finished product, which can significantly improve your profit margins. If you're running a high-volume production business, this probably isn't the right machine. One of the biggest differences compared to industrial DTF printers is that this machine isn't designed to produce long continuous rolls of transfers that can simply be sold to other businesses. Industrial production environments requiring very high output would be better suited to a larger commercial DTF system. Absolutely, like any business, the machine doesn't make money by itself. The person behind it does. If we had to choose our favorite features, they'd be extremely beginner-friendly, compact footprint, excellent print quality, automatic maintenance, professional appearance, clean operation, simple software that guides you through the process. Ease of use, 4.5 out of 5. Print quality, 4.5 out of 5. Speed, 4 out of 5. Maintenance, 4.5 out of 5. Value for money, very good, although it's positioned at the higher end of the entry-level market. Overall, we've been very impressed with the xTool Apparel Printer. It's not trying to compete with large industrial DTF production systems, and that's perfectly fine. Instead, it focuses on making professional garment printing simple, accessible, and enjoyable for small businesses, startups, and retail stores. If that's the type of business you are building, this machine is definitely worth considering. If your goal is industrial scale production, we'd recommend stepping up to a larger commercial DTF printer instead. For everyone else, especially first-time users, this is one of the easiest and most approachable apparel printing systems we've used. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about the xTool Apparel Printer or see it demonstrated in person, get in touch with the MaxLaser team and we'd be happy to show you what it can do.